It's that time of year again. It's time for new student registration. New student registration for the 24-25 school year is now open. You may register from the comfort of your own device at usd497.org/new student registration. Children who will be 5 by August 31st are eligible for kindergarten. We ask that families register their kindergartners before kindergarten orientation on April 17th. So make sure you tell your friends and neighbors. We look forward to welcoming all of our new students for the upcoming school year. As a reminder, school starts August 13th and 14th. We are so excited about what's cooking over at Liberty Memorial Central Middle School with regard to their STEAM focus, and we want you to get excited too. Liberty Memorial Central Middle School will encourage students to ask questions and explore creative ways to solve actual challenges through teamwork, community partnerships, and cool projects that expand what they know and what they can do and get them ready for bigger adventures in high school and beyond. Come get excited with us. We are hosting 2 open houses at the school, one March 6th and the next one March 7th at 6:30. Help us spread the word and grow school enrollment by helping us create a community of innovators and problem solvers.